Heading into North Dakota's Badlands, here are some must-know driving tips before you hit the road. 1. Slow down. These roads twist and climb. The roads are stunning, but full of curves, steep climbs, and drop-offs. Take your time, use low gear on descents, and stay alert, especially on the scenic loop drive. 2. Wildlife has the right-of-way. Bison, deer, and even wild horses roam freely. Don't honk or get too close. If a bison's on the road, wait. They'll move when they're ready. 3. Don't count on cell service. Out here, it's you and the land. Signals can drop fast, so download offline maps or bring a paper one. And let someone know your route. 4. Fuel up in town, not the park. Gas stations are rare. Top off your tank before heading in. Trust me, you won't want to run out here. 5. Weather rules everything. Storms can roll in fast. Always check the forecast before you drive deep into the park. 6. Bring the basics. Water, snacks, sunscreen, a hat, and sunglasses. You might be driving, but you'll stop and wonder. Pack like you'll explore, not just cruise. The North Dakota Badlands are rugged, wild, and absolutely worth the trip. Just drive smart, stay safe, and let the land do the talking. Also, call CarShield before you hit the road for peace of mind against car breakdowns.